Hello, I'm Desiree Drescher, Director of Product Management on the Oracle Student Financial Aid team. And in this spotlight, I will be reviewing the updates we are delivering in 25D. Today we're going to be reviewing enhancements to support updates to verification requirements, the 26-27 award year updates, and increased usability of captured application errors. Let's begin with the regulatory updates. Recently, the Department of Education released an electronic announcement revising the identification verification process for students selected for V4 and V5. Schools must now confirm a student's identity through in-person meetings, conference calls, or third-party verification involving the student. Earlier updates to Student Financial Aid baseline configuration released in the September maintenance pack enabled the collection of identity verification details through a dedicated document. And with this release, we are expanding the ICER verification task to directly capture the required identification data in order to further streamline that process. Updates to the verification task include a new identification confirmation dropdown that allows you to select in-person, conference call, or third-party verification when you are completing verification for students that are selected for V4 and V5. Additionally, further updates were made to the verification results report to populate the verification of identity code using the data captured within the ICER verification task. Let's look next at supporting aid eligibility for the new award year. With 25D, you'll now be able to process ICERs for the new 26-27 award year. This means you can receive, process, and view new ICER files, allowing you to provide timely and accurate projected aid offers to your students. Some highlights of the ICER award year updates include the overall file length being increased, and several fields have been reorganized, with 16 fields now moved to the FTI block. There are updates to field names and content, with 2 field names revised and 20 fields that now have updated valid content. We've also made updates for NSLDS files, so you'll be able to package aid using the latest NSLDS data along with the ICER. And for more accurate projected aid offers, you can configure your cost of attendance and non-federal funds when your institution's policies have been established for the new award year. It's important to note that further support for packaging and awarding Title IV funds will be released once the Department of Education publishes the final specifications for the new award year. We are committed to keeping you informed and providing timely updates as that information becomes available. For step-by-step guidance, including how to enable the new award year with delivered baseline configuration and steps to update reporting to account for new field enums, I encourage you to view the What's New documentation on release readiness. This resource will provide comprehensive instructions and best practices to help you transition smoothly. Lastly, we'll look at how we've enhanced your monitoring capabilities to more efficiently leverage captured application errors. Application event logs now display error messages that retain actionable user-relevant information while omitting internal system details such as stack traces, implementation references, and redundant data already present in report fields. The new format ensures error messages remain clear and helpful, with standardized placeholder text used where technical information has been removed. When your action is applicable, concise guidance is included, and for other errors, you are directed to contact support with the new error ID for further investigation. The application error event report has also been enhanced as part of this release. The report now features a new error ID column positioned after the existing application event ID, providing a direct reference for troubleshooting and support. The event status and resolution comments have been removed, as relevant context is now included within the message description when applicable. And lastly, reference information has been added to the report, providing explanations for each column. This includes a list of possible events with descriptions on when they may be triggered, along with guidance on how to effectively use the report for error triage. Please note that this feature does not impact any Groovy-related scripting error messages. Additionally, only new error logs and reports will be affected. Previously recorded events will remain unchanged. To get the full value of these features and to make your uptake as easy as possible, see the Readiness What's New documentation on the Oracle Help Center at docs.oracle.com. I also encourage you to view the other resources within Cloud Customer Connect and Oracle documentation. These tools offer guidance, best practices, and a community where you can ask questions or share feedback. Thank you for listening to the 25D Spotlight.